Hello, favorite pre-approved buyers. Chad Lubin, Cross Country Mortgage. Wanted to talk about three quick things. Number one, a great strategy to win in a multiple offer is to waive appraisal and to waive your finance contingency. You got a rock solid pre-approval with us. If you're putting, I would say 15% down or more, I would consider waiving the finance contingency with your lender or with your realtor, excuse me. I'm your lender, with your realtor. Number two, I would look at executing our appraisal gap coverage strategy. So we can cover about 15% down in coverage if the appraisal comes in short, if you're putting 20% down. If you're putting 15% down, we can cover 10% shortage. If you're putting 10% down, we can cover 5% shortage. So about half of what you're putting down, we can cover an appraisal gap coverage strategy. So make sure you talk to me about that. And lastly, make sure to utilize our pre-approval guarantee and our quick closings. Make sure you're involving us in your offer. We had 18 offers go in last weekend. 9 of them were accepted. Second thing I want to talk about is the market. As you can see, it is crazy. Rates are all over the place. This is Consumer Price Index report coming out. Inflation, that was the huge run up in interest rates. Remember, down on this chart is up in interest rates. Then we had some recovery from the Ukrainian war. War is terrible. This war is awful. However, the only thing it's good for is mortgage rates. All the countries are parking their money. A lot of the countries, I should say, are parking their money in the United States. It's called a flight to safety trade. That means money goes where the strongest governments are. Strongest governments, strongest militaries, really. So that is why you're seeing interest rates rally. So why they went back up is just these are countries pouring their money into our mortgage bonds and treasury bonds. And then it's been super volatile since that. If you hear peace happening, going to be bad for interest rates. So this could change at the drop of a hat. They're 0.25% changes per day. So make sure once you get a verbal acceptance, you contact us right away to lock in your interest rate. We always have the opportunity to relock the rate lower further down the process. So we will close on time. I will get you under contract. I need to know that you're making an offer and use all of our tools to get your offer accepted. Don't forget about our next home buying seminar that gets you $250 off your closing costs. If you bring with a friend, it gives you another $100 for every friend that you bring. It is March 28th from 5 to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. You can RSVP at the link below. Thank you for your trust on your pre-approval, and make sure to communicate with us when you're putting in an offer.